How to set up Google Alerts. Google Alerts keep you on the loop on topics you care about. Here's how to set one up in a flash. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Alerts. Sign in with your Google account if needed. And in the search bar, type the keywords or phrases you want to be alerted about. It could be anything from a company name to a specific news topic. Choose where you want to receive news from, news, websites, blogs, etc. You can select the language you want alerts in, and specify a geographic location if your topic is local. You can also decide how frequently you want alerts, like daily, weekly, etc. You can choose to receive alerts via email or RSS feed. Once you've customized your settings, click Create Alert, and you're done. You can also edit it whenever you want by showing options and editing however you would like. Use quotation marks around your keywords for a more precise search. You can separate multiple keywords with commas for broader coverage. You can manage your existing alerts by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was a quick guide on how to use Google Alerts. Don't forget to subscribe.